Before you choose Terrazzo for your home, stop. These are the 7 painful mistakes homeowners regret every single year. Some of them will cost you hundreds of thousands to fix. So, if you're planning to install Terrazzo, please watch this to the end. Welcome back to Njeri Veewave Enterprises YouTube channel, where we help you make smart construction decisions, save money, and avoid the mistakes that frustrate thousands of homeowners both in Kenya and in the diaspora. Today we are talking about Terrazzo flooring, and specifically the mistakes people make before they even start. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong thickness. Most homeowners try to save money by going for a very thin Terrazzo layer. Please don't do this. Thin Terrazzo cracks easily. It doesn't bond well, and after a few months, boom, your floor starts looking older than your house. A proper Terrazzo floor needs a healthy thickness, usually 18 millimeters to 20 millimeters and above, depending on how the house is used. If anyone tells you to just do a thin layer, it's cheaper, that's a red flag. Mistake number 2, hiring a fundi with no Terrazzo experience. Terrazzo is not like normal cement screed. It's artwork, it's chemistry, it's timing. An inexperienced fundi will mix the wrong ratios, mess up the leveling, or grind too early or too late. Then you are left with waves, bumps, and rough patches all over the house. Before hiring, ask to see pictures and videos of jobs they have done. Not just one, at least 3. Mistake number 3, choosing bad aggregates. Not all chips are the same. Some are dull, some mix poorly, some give you that muddy, dirty look instead of a clean, glossy Terrazzo finish. Choose chips intentionally. The size, color, and combination will completely change the look of your final floor. Don't let the fundi pick them for you. Be involved. Mistake number 4, poor curing. This one is silent until the damage is done. If the Terrazzo is not allowed to cure properly, the bonding becomes weak and the final polish becomes dull and patchy. Good Terrazzo needs time. You can't rush it because you are excited to move into your new home. Mistake number 5, rushing the grinding and polishing process. Some fundis grind too fast, too early, or with the wrong equipment. Grinding is what reveals the beauty of Terrazzo. If it is rushed, you get exposed air pockets, uneven shine, or visible scratches. A proper grind has stages. It's like sanding wood. You don't jump from step 1 directly to finishing. Mistake number 6, wrong color choice versus lighting. This is one homeowners regret the most. A color that looks good in the shop can look completely different in your actual house because of lighting. Dark Terrazzo can make a room feel smaller. White Terrazzo shows stains easily. Speckled Terrazzo looks different under natural versus artificial light. Always test a sample in your actual space before committing. Mistake number 7, not sealing the Terrazzo properly. Many people don't know this. A Terrazzo floor must be sealed. Without sealing, it absorbs stains, loses its shine, and wears out faster. A good sealer protects your floor and keeps that glossy hotel lobby look for years. Here is the bonus tip. Plan your Terrazzo early. Don't add Terrazzo as an afterthought. Plan for it during construction because it affects the following: floor levels, skirting, door frames, and drainage areas. Early planning saves you from expensive rework. In conclusion, if you're planning to install Terrazzo and you want it done professionally, reach out to Veewave Enterprises today. We connect you with reliable Terrazzo experts, supervise your entire project, and ensure you get exactly what you paid for, whether you are in the diaspora or here in Kenya. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who is planning to build or renovate. It could save them a lot of money. This is Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner in building smarter, stronger, and stress-free in Kenya. Until next video, let's keep building excellence together.